In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in MetaTrader 4. Zooming correctly makes your charts easier to read, helps you spot patterns faster, and gives you the exact level of detail you need for analysis. We'll focus on two simple, precise gestures you can use with your mouse to control both the price scale and the density of bars on your screen. First, let's adjust the vertical zoom, which changes how tall each price move appears. Look to the right edge of your chart where the price scale is displayed. Move your mouse over that scale, click and hold, then drag up or down. Dragging upward compresses the price scale, so more price levels fit into the same space, and swings look smaller. Dragging downward expands the price scale, making moves look larger and easier to inspect. Think of this like adjusting the magnification of price action without changing how many candles you see. Make small, steady drags for fine control, and keep an eye on the numbers along the scale so you know exactly how much you've expanded or compressed the view. If you ever feel the chart looks distorted, simply nudge the drag in the opposite direction until the proportions feel comfortable again. Next, let's control how many bars you see by adjusting the horizontal density on the time or price axis. Move your mouse to the bottom time axis area and click and hold, then drag horizontally. As you drag, the chart bars will compress to show more history at once, or expand to focus on a smaller, more detailed segment. This is especially useful when you want to zoom out to review the bigger trend or zoom in to study a recent setup candle by candle. Small horizontal drags give subtle changes, while longer drags make larger adjustments. Watch how the spacing between candles changes. That spacing is your cue that you're seeing more or fewer bars without altering the vertical emphasis you set earlier. The real power comes from combining both gestures. Use the vertical drag on the right scale to dial in the height of price moves, then fine-tune how many bars you're viewing by dragging along the time axis. With a bit of practice, you'll quickly find a balance that highlights the patterns you care about, whether that's tight, short-term structures, or broader market swings. That's all there is to it. With these two simple drags, you have precise, fluid control over your chart view in MetaTrader 4.